So in this video, I'm going to share with you the things that I do to be able to grow my YouTube channel. So like every other small YouTuber, we struggle with views, we struggle with engagement, we struggle with subscriber count. We struggle with a lot of things on how to navigate YouTube. But since I've been able to figure out this thing on how to grow my YouTube channel, it has become so easy for me to get views, for me to get subscribers. And I just thought to share with you so that you can actually implement this thing for you to grow your own YouTube channel. The first thing I do on my channel is that I make sure I do keyword research. Yes, I see a lot of people preaching against keyword research, but I tell you that keyword research is very, very important, especially for you as a small YouTuber. I can understand if you've grown a very large audience on YouTube, but if you're still starting new on this platform, or if you're still trying to find an audience that will be watching your videos, you should actually start by doing keyword research, okay? Keyword research in the sense that you're optimizing your video. That has actually helped my channel so well. For each video that performs very well on my channel, my keywords research very well, and I optimize my videos for search and recommendation. So I use this particular tool to do my keyword research, which is vidIQ. If you also want to learn more and more on how to do your keyword research and do it very well, you should just check a video on my channel. I have a video already on how to do keyword research with vidIQ. Okay, so you should actually pay attention to keyword research if you're still a new YouTuber or if you're still a small channel. Search engine optimization has helped my channel's growth, and I won't lie about it. This is the number one thing I tell people that ask me on how to grow their YouTube channel. I tell them that they should focus on keyword research. Okay, the second thing I do to grow my YouTube channel is that I avoid sub for sub. Okay, this topic, I've been actually avoiding to talk about it or to say something about it because I know how difficult it is to grow on YouTube. I know how difficult it is for small channels to gain subscribers. But I just feel like this is actually the high time for me to say it. If you want to grow on YouTube, a lot of people have been telling me, oh, my channel is not picking up, my channel is not doing this. But when I check through their channels, I see that they are doing something wrong, which is sub for sub. Sub for sub has so many disadvantages, and the disadvantage is even more higher than the advantage. The advantage is just a limited amount of time, which is the subscribers that you gain from it. And the subscribers actually are not of benefit to your channel. Okay, so I avoided sub for sub because sub for sub will actually put my channel to shadow ban and ghost banning. Okay, so if you want to grow your YouTube channel and to grow it genuinely and organically, stop doing sub for sub. I'm not going to discourage you from doing sub for sub, but if you actually weigh it, if you actually weigh the disadvantage of what sub for sub can cost to your channel, you will see that it is high time for you to stop. The number one thing that sub for sub can do to your channel is that it will lead you to shadow banning, and again, all the views that you accumulate through sub for sub will not top up to your watch hours. You will see your watch hours decrease. So what is the essence of you going through all that? YouTube is going to delete your channel at the long run. What is the essence of you doing sub for sub? I avoided sub for sub for me to be able to grow to this extent as a small YouTuber, and for me to grow this fast within a couple of months. Okay, so sub for sub doesn't add anything except that subscriber count that you'll be seeing on your channel, because they are not going to watch your videos. That is the number one thing. They're not going to convert to a genuine audience because they are not interested in your videos. There are similar YouTubers like you who are trying to find their fit on the platform. So most of the time, they are not interested in what you're saying. They are not interested in what you're doing. So avoid sub for sub for you to be able to grow on YouTube so fast, because if you avoid this, the algorithm will be able to favor you more than those people that are actually doing sub for sub. It is against YouTube policy. It is called spamming. It's called coordinated engagement. Okay, so I don't know if some people are actually reading the YouTube terms of services, but if you go through it, you discover that sub for sub is a coordinated engagement, and it is against the policy of YouTube. So avoid sub for sub if you want to grow on YouTube channel and to grow so fast. You might say that there are so many people that actually told this part and they are succeeding on YouTube, but I tell you that you might be the unlucky one, that someone else made away with it is not the reason why you should continue doing it. You might be the scapegoat. Okay, so if YouTube says that this thing is going to limit your channel's growth, I bet you that they are very serious with it and it's going to limit your channel's growth. Okay, so don't be that scapegoat, don't be that sacrificial lamb. So make sure you just stop doing sub for sub if you want your channel to grow. So the third thing I do to grow my YouTube channel is that I try to be relatable as much as I can. I try to build a community with my audience. I try to build a bond with my viewers. Okay, I see a lot of small creators. They neglect all the comments on their comment section. They don't even reply to a single person on their comment section. You are still a small channel, so you still have so much time for you to reply the comments in your comment section. You're not even big yet. So tell me why you're neglecting the comments on your comment section. Tell me why you're not building this relationship with the little audience you have. You know, there is something that attracts people more to your channel. Once they see that your comment section, that you're always available to reply to people, you're always available to offer help to your audience, you're always available to respond to comments. Other people who might be your potential subscribers might see it and say, okay, this person is building a relationship with their audience, that they're not going to leave them hanging each time they comment. They're going to subscribe and keep on coming to your channel. But if you are still a small channel, if you're still a growing channel, and you are not building a relationship with your audience, the little audience you have, a potential subscriber might just see your channel and just move away. They might not return back. And even if someone comes to your channel and drop a comment, if you don't reply to them, if you do it once, if you do it second time, they will stop coming to your channel. And once you lose one particular subscriber, you have actually lost something, and they will keep on going like that. So as a small channel, you need to build a relationship with your audience. You need to build a community of people that are very interested in what you're doing. Okay, you are not doing it because you just want them to subscribe to you, but you are doing it genuinely because you know that it is actually good for you to build a relationship. It doesn't take you anything for you to reply the comments in your comment section, and the more you reply to comments, the more YouTube pushes that particular video that you posted. Okay, so because it is actually an engagement, it sends a signal to the algorithm that this comment section is actually engaging, so they need to push it out to more people to be able to view your video. Okay, so you should actually build a relationship, reply to comments that people make on your comment section, and see your channel grow. Like me, if I see a channel that I want to view their videos, or I want to gain something from, and I see that that particular creator doesn't respond to comments, I might be forced to leave. If I'm a potential subscriber, I might not subscribe to that channel because I feel that this person is not trying to build a bond. Like, this person is not going to include me in their space, that this person is going to air me totally. Okay, so I might excuse myself. So if you are always fond of not responding to your comments, I urge you that you should start responding to comments, start building relationships, start responding to comments. These are the three things that I do to be able to grow my YouTube channel as a starter, and it has been working for me. Remember that there is no rush on YouTube, but you can always make your own growth faster by applying some smart principles, some smart strategies, and some tricks. Okay, so you have to do what you have to do to be able to grow on YouTube, and you have to do it more smartly, but don't violate the YouTube policy, so you can be on the safer side. So do all of these things and see your channel more grow. Okay, if you found this video helpful, this is the end of this video, and I would like to see you in my next video. So if you've not subscribed, please do subscribe now, and also leave a comment on the comment section, and see you next time. Bye.